For today, it's Friday, and we thought of again flexing another math assignments of one of our subscribers. So may assignment siya sa Trigo. So we will try to flex 3 of those 5 assignments here in our episode. So I hope you will join me. Yalla, let's go. Okay, so this is the first assignment or first item. So we are asked to find the value of x and h in this right triangle. So we are given this reference angle here, which is 51 degree, and the altitude of the right triangle, which is 10. So what's good thing about SOHCAHTOA, as long as you have 2 given, so you can find all other unknowns like the other side or the other angle. So we can use Pythagorean theorem or the SOHCAHTOA function. So in this case, since we are given 51 here and 10 here, so we can find either h or x. So let's try to find x first. So if you have x and 10 there, so you have this reference angle. So we will use TOA. That means tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. So if I'll make tangent 51 degree is equal now to opposite over adjacent, so opposite over adjacent. So our x then will be 10 over tangent 51 degrees. So using our calculator, you can have 10 divided by tangent 51. So we have here a value of x which is 8.1. Okay, so that's the value of x. H now, you can use either Pythagorean theorem, or since we know already x here, so we can use Pythagorean theorem as I've said. So h squared is equal to x squared plus 10 squared. So we can use that also. But for the sake of our discussion here on trigonometry, so we will use the cosine function. So cosine is ka adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine 51 is equal now to adjacent with x, which is x. So we know the value of x, which is 8.1 over hypotenuse. So h then is equal to 8.1 divided by cosine 51. So let's see the answer here. 8.1 divided by 51, sorry, 8.1 divided by cosine 51. So our answer here is around 12.9. Okay, so x is 8.1 and h is 12.9. So let's go to the next item. Okay, so the next number here is we have a triangle here, and it says BH is perpendicular to AC. So that means this is a right triangle here. So if you will consider this triangle ABH, so it's a right triangle. The length of AC is 19. So to get the value of x, we should get first the value of HC. So how we can do that? Since we have 39 degrees here, so we can get AH by tangent. Okay, TOA is opposite over adjacent. So tangent 39 is equal now to 11 over AH. So AH is equal to 11 over tangent 39. So that will give us 11 divided by tangent 39. So that's around 13.6. Okay, so since AC is 19, so HC now, so HC will be equal to AC minus AH. So HC is equal to 19 minus 13.6. So HC is equal to 19 minus 13.6. So that's around 5.4. Okay. So solving that further, so that means HC, this is 5.4. So let's try to isolate that the other triangle. So it's also a right triangle here. So we have BH and H and C. So that's 11. And this is X, and this is 5.4. So you can solve this one by Pythagorean theorem. So by Pythagorean theorem, so we have x squared is equal to 11 squared plus 5.4 squared. So let's try to solve this one. X squared is equal to 11 squared plus 5.4 squared equals, so this is 150.16. So x is equal to the square root of 150.16. So our x value is square root 12.3. Okay, so that's our answer in this problem. So let's try the last problem. So our last problem is somewhat like proving identities here. So I think we will discuss more of this on our succeeding episodes. So we have sine plus cosine plus tangent is equal to divided by cosine. So we have to simplify this expression. We know for a fact that tangent, as we learned before in our last episodes, episode 17, I think. So we have sine over cosine. This is the basic identities that we have to remember all the time. So I can rewrite this expression in terms of sine over cosine, right? Sine over cosine plus cosine tangent theta over cosine theta, right? So sine over cosine is what? As we said, it's tangent. So tangent theta is equal plus. Now this one is cosine, and cosine here will cancel. You have tangent theta. So therefore, this will have now 2 tangent theta plus tangent theta is equal to 2 tangent theta. So this is our answer for this problem. Okay? So that's it for today's episode. And before we will end this video, I just want to say, or to make a special shout out to 2 of our subscribers who keep on sending us their math assignments. So it's really a pleasure that we were able to guide them. We were able to help them in their math lessons. So we have Gian Tropico and Adriel Palaran. So shout out to you guys. And that's it for today. I hope you will stay with us on our succeeding episodes. So we will solve more problems on trigonometry and proving identities. The next topics also, or the next topics will be proving identities. So again, till next time guys, bye-bye.